Okay, here we are at the Hero Hoist showroom at Preston's, demonstrating the Lift King single post portable service hoist and the UTV adapters. This was used to evaluate the work to be done on this vehicle, and it had very narrow underbody. So we used the UTV adapters, as you can see, to get to the underside of the vehicle, and so our mechanic could evaluate the vehicle much more easily. These UTV adapters obviously used for Yamaha ROVs and other UTVs, but they've come in very handy with this vehicle as well. This UTV adapter kit is sold as an optional accessory with the Lift King single post portable service hoist. Available exclusively from Hero Hoists Australia. Just give us a call anytime you'd like to get more information. Okay, over and out.